that would never bring peace. Then I heard a cry from a narrow span, sounded like the soul of a broken man. He said, if you're tired of running, boy, then take my hand. I'll show you the temple of the broken man. Temple of the broken man, built on the scars where the world began. Every sinner with an empty plan finds hope in the temple of the broken man. Not made of stone, not made of sand, but the heart of the Son of Man. For a frozen soul, and inside stood Christ with a wounded span, arms wide open like a healing land. He said, bring me your past, every fear you ran. This is the temple of the broken man. Temple of the broken man, built on the scars where the world began. Every sinner with an empty plan finds hope in the temple of the broken man. Not made of stone, not made of sand, but the heart of the Son of Man. My sorrow on the bloodstained floor, left my pride right at the open door, and the world outside lost its heavy demand when I stepped in the temple of the broken man. Temple of the broken